so happy that you're here for another spring decorating video. Today we are bringing some spring decor into our living room. The focus is really just going to be on bringing in some spring colors, patterns, textures. You know that I love my greens, but I'm also bringing in some soft and delicate florals and a few fun spring pieces that could kind of lend themselves to Easter. We're also switching up the layout in here today. I have wanted to try two sofas facing each other for a long time, and we're finally making it happen. I am so happy with how it turned out. It offers more seating than our sectional that we had before, and it really just opens up the space. It feels more conversational, and it just makes the room feel like a place you just want to hop in, sit down, and spend some time in, whether drinking some coffee, watching TV, reading a book, or just hanging out. We've been decorating several rooms around my house so far this season, so if you miss those, make sure to check them out. I've got lots of spring decorating content on my channel. And a huge thank you to Cheetah Living for sponsoring today's video. I cannot wait to share more about them and put this room together with you. Let's go ahead and get into it. First, I want to show you where we started. So we cleared everything out and got it down to the bare bones so that we could bring the new furniture in and just start fresh with this layout. And you'll notice our rug we've had and loved for years, but it has truly been through the ringer. It has some stains from the dogs and some edges that have started fraying. So I'm okay parting with it. With our new layout, the rug needs to sit in a different orientation, and honestly, the 9x12 just feels too big for the space. So I knew that we were probably going to need to size down. So I went ahead and found a really budget-friendly replacement that we're gonna test out and see how it feels. All right, so let's get into the sofas because this is the part I have been so looking forward to sharing with you. This is the Kenna Modular sofa from Cheetah Living, and we actually have two of them going in this space. One of my favorite things about this sofa is that it's modular, meaning the pieces come apart and can be reconfigured however you need them. And if you have larger furniture, you know how big of a deal that is. You're not locked into one layout forever, and for somebody like me who is rearranging things constantly, that is everything. Now here's the thing, this is actually the same sofa that we had before. We just had it in a larger sectional configuration, but we wanted to switch things up and do two separate two-seated sofas facing each other. We loved this sofa so much that when it came time to make that change, I genuinely could not picture putting anything else in here. The fabric is just so beautiful. It has this soft, almost velvety feel to it, and the cream color is so warm and inviting. It comes in several colorways and configurations on their website, so there really is something for every space. And the cushions are so deep and comfortable. This is the kind of sofa that you just sink into and you don't want to get up from. And I have to talk about the cushion covers because this is a big one for us. The covers are fully removable and machine washable. We have kids and a dog, and with our last configuration, we were washing these covers all the time, and every single time they came out looking brand new. That alone sold me. If you have kids or animals, or honestly, even if it's just you and your morning coffee, having a washable sofa is genuinely life-changing. I cannot recommend it enough. Every single time you wash these covers, they come out looking brand new, whether it's your first wash or your 10th. And that never gets old. I just love how these sofas make this space feel. You just want to come in and take a seat and get comfortable. And that is exactly what a living room should feel like. Cheetah Living is running their spring cleaning sale right now where you can save up to $500. I'll have the link down in my video description, so make sure to check that out. And thank you again to Cheetah Living for sponsoring today's video. Our initial thoughts on the rug are that we're just not sure. So we are going to go ahead and just put the room all together. This was a super budget-friendly rug. It was at Home Depot and it was something that I could get quickly when we determined that we thought we might need a smaller rug. I have a wish list of rugs that I would love in my home someday, but the budget is definitely higher and some of them had really long, like 6 to 10 week wait times. So we're gonna deal with this for now. I think this is a great option for this room because again, it just really grounds the space and it's not overwhelming with pattern because we do have pattern and we do have color already in this room, and we'll be adding more of that through decor also. We already have some really bold rugs in our breakfast nook area, in our front living room, and just throughout the house. So I think it's okay to play it a little safer and more neutral in here. Now that we've got the sofas in place and the new rug down, you'll notice that we have these two beautiful ottomans sitting at the ends facing the fireplace. And I love these. I actually shared one of them in my last decorating videos in our home office, and that is when I just fell in love with it. The detail is so pretty. They've got this gorgeous box pleat skirt and the lids come off so they have storage inside as well, which is just perfect for blankets or throws or anything you just want to kind of tuck away. These are perfect for that. And the color and the design style just felt so right for this space. I knew the moment that I brought them in here, they were going to be a strong contender. But I will also say that I went back and forth on this end of the room for a little while. Ideally, I really wanted to try putting two chairs here instead. So we did bring in the Ella Grace swivel chairs from Cheetah Living. You guys know I love these chairs so much. We've had them for a long time and they have lived in our other living room. They've lived in here. They've also been in our office for a period of time. They are just such a beautiful chair and I never get tired of them. So I'll make sure to have those linked down below for you as well. But once we got them in this space, with this configuration, it just felt like it was a little too tight. This area opens up to our kitchen and the bar seating, and that walkway just started to feel a little too crammed. I wanted this space to feel open and easy to move through. So for now, we've landed on the ottomans and I'm loving how it's feeling in here. All right, let's get into decorating this accent wall. The first thing that I want to highlight is this bow. I ordered it from Etsy and I just love it for spring and summer. It's such a fun and unique everyday touch. I'll make sure to link it down below. The shop owner was so sweet and she'll even do custom orders for you. I also added some baskets for texture and this wreath. I added a sash that I found on Amazon and I think it's just so pretty. I'd never used a sash on a wreath before, so this was something I was just kind of trialing and I'm really glad I did. It took a little while to find the right arrangement on this wall, but I think that it turned out beautifully. You all know that I've been using woven neck pillow covers for a long time. I love them so much and I share about them all the time because they really are just wonderful. There's so many different patterns and colors and options. I went with a green gingham ruffle, a beautiful floral, and a delicate striped neutral. Just 3 pillows on each sofa. Simple and pretty, and I love that these are going to be great for spring and also for summer. The coffee table, I went with an antique basket and these adorable little fabric carrots from Michaels, some books, and then I also brought in my favorite little English cottage coffee table book. It has so much English home decorating inspiration, and it's one of my favorites to flip through. Then I also added this little duck, but I ended up swapping it out for a vase later and just felt like with the height it just made a little bit more sense. If you wondered what it is like living with 9 and 11-year-old boys, this is what you find sprinkled all over the house, and I'm glad I spotted this. I played around over at our mantle for a little bit before landing on what I loved. I ended up bringing in my olive plant and some white pictures, and then this sweet little duck that I spotted at the Target dollar spot a few weeks ago. But I ended up taking the pictures down and bringing out some of my LED candles with some brass candle holders. You know that I love that soft glow in the evenings, and so that's what I decided to land on in this space. And I also wanted to bring in this little quilt rack. I found this one on Facebook Marketplace a while back and I just love it. I layered some blankets on here for a little pop of green and some extra texture, and I think it just adds so much warmth to this corner of the room. I also want to take a quick moment to talk about this TV frame from White Oak Home Decor because so many of you have purchased this frame and I just love that. I know you love it just as much as I do. The detailing on it is just so beautiful. It truly looks like an antique frame and it's just gorgeous in our space. I will make sure to have that linked below for you as well. And just taking in this room as a whole, I just love how it ties in so beautifully with the rest of our home. Everything just feels connected and cohesive, and I'm just really happy with how it all came together. I'm excited to actually get to enjoy this space now. living room all ready for spring. I just love how this space feels right now. It feels bright and fresh, and it just finally feels like spring in here. I hope that this video gave you a little bit of inspiration for your own space this season. Even adding just a few simple touches can make such a difference. And remember, sometimes it takes a little trial and error before it all comes together. And that is just part of the fun. A huge thank you again to Cheetah Living for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to check out their spring cleaning sale. You can save up to $500 at the link in my video description. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.